Evil English teacher. An evil English teacher. He's a very bad teacher. He came into his class. The students sitting at their desks and waiting for him. The teacher said to the class, "Every day we will study English grammar. If you make a mistake, I hit you with a stick." Then the teacher opened this book. He said, "Today we will learn the past perfect progressive verb tense, as well as the future conditional." He points to the girl and says, "What's the past perfect progressive?" The girl very nervous. She says, I don't know." As soon as she finished speaking, the evil teacher jumped across the room with a large stick and hit her on the head. The girl cries. The other students are very scared. The teacher points to a boy and says, "What is the future conditional?" The boy said nothing. The teacher said, "Go ahead, now answer, now." The boy says, but we haven't learned it yet." The evil teacher says, "In other words, you don't know it." He jumped across the room and hit the boy's head on the head. The boy cries. All the children are scared and miserable. They hate the evil teacher, but they're lucky. One student has a cell phone. She secretly dials the number of her friend, AJ. AJ answers the phone. "Hello?" The children whisper. "She's calling. Help us, AJ. Please help us. An evil English teacher is beating us." AJ says, "Don't worry, I'll be there, right there." AJ jumped on his motorcycle and speeds to the school. He ran through the front door, down hall, and burst into the class. He said to the evil teacher, "Stop hitting their students! It's past us." Then he ran across the room. He picked up a desk and hit the evil teacher with it. The evil teacher fell to the floor. He beaten. AJ looks at Carrie and says, "What do you want me to do with him?" Carrie says, "It's up to you. You decide." AJ throws the evil teacher out the window and says, "No more evil grammar study. You are free." Student cheer. Yay! Everyone is very happy.